Namaste, yogis, and welcome back to another beautiful day on the yoga mat. Today is chakra 4, so we're focused on the heart chakra, also known as the Anahata chakra. This is the chakra of love, compassion, acceptance, and today we're working on opening up this area so that we can receive love into our lives. And so with that being said, we'll be doing a lot of chest opening, almost back bend type stuff. So if you need some extra support, some blocks can be handy in today's asanas. So we'll start just in a seated position and close down the eyes. Tune into the breath and let it out. Arriving on the mat today. Allowing yourself to be present with your body. And I want you to tune into your heart space and notice the quality of your heartbeat as you breathe. Is it slow? Is it fast? Just observe. Now observe how you're feeling. Is there any predominant emotion that you're experiencing? Peace, calm, fear, nervousness? Just observe. Perhaps you're feeling quite open today. Perhaps you're feeling closed, and that's why you felt called to this video. This yoga journey is a journey of rebalancing, reattuning to the body, connecting deeper to the self so that we can connect deeper with others. And to connect with others, we need to have an open heart. So inhale, draw your chest towards the sky. And exhale, round, stretching the back body. Inhale and expand. Exhale, round. And what can really help to open up the heart space is to add the arms to this movement. So as you open your heart, you're also opening the arms to the sides. And as you exhale, you're drawing them out in front. Inhale, expand. Open your heart to the sky. Exhale, round. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, round. 2 more. One more. Good. Now we'll come into tabletop and make our way into puppy pose. So this is a really great heart opening pose. So what you're going to do is walk the hands out in front of you, and you want your hips to be in line with your knees. And from here, you're going to sink your chest down in front. And so you'll notice that my elbows are lifted off of the mat. So I'm really focusing on dropping my heart towards the mat. And breathe here. If you felt pretty closed off, this area might be a bit tense. This might be a challenge. It's a great opportunity to set the intention to open your heart. Open your heart to love, to new experiences, whatever you'd like to call into your life. Good. Now make your way back into tabletop. And this next posture is a warm-up to a back bend. So you can choose your variation. The easier variation is going to be to have the toes tucked under. If you'd like it to be more advanced, you can have your toes be flat. So I'll be showing with the toes tucked under. You can also use blocks, but I don't have any with me today. But basically they would be in place of your heels. So instead of grabbing your heels, you would grab your blocks. So I'll show you and then you can give it a try. So what I'm going to do is sweep my left arm around and then come up as my right hand is on my right foot ankle area. And then as I exhale, I'm going to sweep back around, reaching towards my left foot with my left hand. Inhale, expand forward. So my heart is coming up towards the ceiling, towards the sky. My hips are going forward to the front of my mat. And exhale, coming back in the sweeping motion, sweeping all the way around and coming up towards the sky again. Inhale, exhale. So move with your breath here. You can move as slowly or quickly as you want. Just move with intention, the intention of opening your heart. This is a really good one for warming up the spine as well. If you've been sitting a lot today, this one will counteract any bad posture. It's a really good one to incorporate in daily life, really. So we'll do one more, reaching over to the side. And then sweeping back down and through for child's pose. Reconnecting with the breath here. Reconnecting with the heart space. And as you're here, I want you to envision the color green surrounding you. Mother Earth loving on you, giving you a hug through the trees, the leaves, tickling your skin, the grass beneath your feet. This love is available for us every single day. We just have to be open to it. Take a deep breath in and a full breath out. And now I invite you to ask yourself how you can incorporate more self-love into your life. How can you incorporate more self-love into your life? Perhaps that's more yoga practices or meditation. Maybe it's dance, going on a walk with a friend. Perhaps it's as simple as taking a bath. How can you bring more self-love into your life? And from this place of self-love, it is so much easier to bring love to others. So first, I invite you to focus on loving yourself so that you can show up with your cup fully filled to pour love into other people's. We'll come into a seated position to end our practice. We'll inhale, sweep the arms up over the head. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me on the mat today, for taking this time for yourself, embarking on this journey to reconnect with the body and all the energy centers within it. I invite you to join us in tomorrow's practice. I'll see you tomorrow on the mat as you continue your journey, your practice of self-love. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel, as it really helps me to keep doing this. Thank you. Namaste.